Hi everybody, how are you? So today I was just looking into my cell phone for a new calendar for the new year. And you know what? I was just thinking every year I throw all the calendars. Yes? And why? Well, I can make something. You have paper, cardstock, glue. Well, why I cannot make something that I can reuse every month or every year? And that's what we are gonna do now. The special about these calendars is that I'm gonna use some of my flowers that I have, well, standing on a shelf, and I'm gonna use them to decorate my calendar. So I'm gonna show you how we can make that happen. Stay here.
So here I have lots of cardstock that I'm going to use and white paper. The rest is glue, scissors, and my Cricut machine. But if don't have a cutting machine, you can use a scalpel for the main template. Let's start. So these are the final calendars that I made, and we are going to make one of this. As you can see, I decorated the calendars with leaves and flowers that I made. Now, if you are interested in the flowers, you can visit my Etsy shop. The first thing that we are going to do is to cut some parts of the calendar in the cutting machine. First of all, we will cut the standing bases, and for that we are going to use the Cricut machine. Some of the designs you can do it directly in the app of the Cricut, or make it in another program and upload the image. This standing base is made directly in the app of the Cricut machine. So now I will make the standing base more sturdy. For that, I did 2 standing bases that now I will join together. And meanwhile I join this together, I am cutting some letters for the calendar we are making. Now, this is the calendar I've already made. However, the standing base is still fragile, so I will use some of my paper leaves to make it even more sturdy. But before that, let's put the white paper in the calendar. And now it is time to fill it up with some important notes. So, now let's finish the standing bases. For this, I am going to add this grass with the standing base to make it even more sturdy. It will work because it has a thick wire for the stem. Now that we finished the standing bases, let's decorate the template I did for the calendar we are making. In the app of the Cricut machine, I did these initials of the days of the week. And the grid of this calendar, I did it on Canva, which is a graphic design platform very friendly for users. So I did the grid and added those little pockets for the numbers and left one column for extra notes. Now let's add these beautiful flowers to one side of the calendar. And here we have it. The good thing about these calendars is that the only thing that you will reuse is the white paper. You save money and time. I hope you like it and make you own forever calendar. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.